How to sign into Trello account. You can simply download the application from Play Store or in App Store, or you can also create your account through any web browser. So let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Trello.com. It will land you on the official page of Trello. Right here you can see the option of sign up. Tap on it. You will be landing on the interface where you will be able to create an account for Trello. Right here you can see that you can also create your account through your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple account or Slack. Choose any of the account that will be suitable for you. So let me tap on continue with Google. Select your specific Google account in which you want to create your Trello account. Let me tap on this account. Now tap on create your account. For the confirmation you need to fulfill some of the puzzles. And once you are done, tap on verify at the bottom. Wait for a while for it to process. So there you go, your Trello account has been created successfully. Now you can simply use this website and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to sign into your Trello account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.